All right, I was at Sam Club and they had this Lorix home monitoring kit, which is pretty cool. It only cost me $89 for this system. It comes with a floodlight, a camera, a doorbell camera, and two security wireless switches for your doors or windows. It has two-way talk, motion detection on all the items, except on the cameras anyway. Local storage and night vision. Floodlight, local storage, mounting kit, quick reference, Wi-Fi doorbell, local storage, chime, electrical wiring, mounting kit, two door or window sensors, two sensors mounting adhesive, a sensor hub, and power adapter. Here's more. If you want to read that, that's what it says on the side. There you go. And it's got it. You can use an app to pair all the devices and to get alerts and stuff and videos. So I got it for $89. I figured I couldn't go wrong with it. Mostly I could use the doorbell. The light might be a little iffy. I'm going to unbox this and show you what you actually get. It's online at Sam's for $149 right now. So an $89 deal is really good in store.